Book mail time, and it's a summary book mail. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another reading vlog, and it's seasonal vlogs time. I love all seasonal vlogs, so we are going to read a lot of summer books. We are going to do summer activities. We are going to eat summer food, fruits, everything. Not just in this vlog, but upcoming vlogs as well. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see how it goes. I have a lot of books on my summer TBR. Like physical TBR पे ही बहुत सारे books है. So out of which I have picked 3 right now. I want to read these 3 in this vlog. So let's get started. So the first book which I want to read in summer, and I have been talking about this book for a very long time, and I have been saying that मुझे ये summer में पढ़ना है. So we are starting this video and summer reading with this book is what I'm thinking. So the book is You've Got a Match. You Have a Match by Emma Lord. I think there's camping, there's summery vibes. I mean, this cover is giving very summer vibes, and this author writes summery books or all year around college campus books. So this one is giving summer vibes. So I'm gonna read this. I know nothing about this book, so I will let you know once I discover कि क्या चल रहा है इस book में, ठीक है? So that's my first option. I'm gonna quickly talk about all the books and then we'll see कि मैं क्या पढ़ने वाली हूँ. And the next book which I want to read is a novel story. I mean, I asked people on Instagram कि ये summer themed है या spring themed है, because the cover is giving spring but everybody said summer spring mix कभी भी पढ़ सकते हैं. So I'm gonna read it now because अभी नहीं पढ़ा तो then it's rainy season after summer in Mumbai. There's rainy season and it's for like 3 to 4 months. So I won't be picking this up till then. Then I will read fall books, then the Christmas books, and ये next year तक चला जाएगा. So I want to read it right now. It's Ashley Poston's book. I loved her previous 2 books, so I'm very excited to read this one as well. People have mixed emotions about this one, so I don't have a lot of hopes. But I love this theme, and the theme which this book has, that she meets fictional characters, is what I think that's the magical realism part of this book. So I have read this theme in Pages and Co, and it was done exceptionally well in that series. So I have some hopes, but at the same time I know I'm gonna compare it with that book. So we'll see how it's done. And the next book which I'm thinking about reading is The Pairing. It's by Casey McQuiston, the author of Red, White, and Royal Blue. Best friends. They go on European tour, and we get to see Europe, and in summer, like best thing. I think it's set in summer because usually people visit and travel to Europe in spring summer times. That's why I'm thinking about reading this book now, because spring में मैं कुछ और ही पढ़ रही थी. I don't know why I was in a mystery mode, but now I want to read all the summery spring books. Not spring वाली TBR मेरी अलग है, which I'm not going to touch, but this is giving very summer vibes. So I'm gonna read this. I have a lot of other books on my TBR, so I might pick something else. We'll see how it goes, but I want to read these 3 and I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna read first few pages of these books and see what I'm in mood for, and then I'll start the books. Yeah. Hello, and I have an update for you guys. So, the update is that I finally started this book, which is You Have a Match, and I have read almost 50 pages. Or no, I've read 85 pages. I know what is going on, and I can guarantee that it's a summer book because she is going to a summer camp for a month. So, that's amazing that it is perfect to read in this time. So let's talk about it. Like, let's talk about what is happening. Our main character Abby and her, she has 2 best friends, and one of them is a guy and one is a girl. So that trio, they have been inseparable since they were very young. And then there's one big incident, big embarrassing incident, which is what is mentioned on the blurb, mentioned on the back and in the blurb. So it's called BEI, Big Embarrassing Incident. So something has happened, and now their friendship is a little bit awkward. We are seeing what is happening in her life like that. Then she is a teenager. I don't know in which year she is, but she has to make sure that her grades are good so that she can get a good college. So she's on that path as well, that her parents are like on sitting on top of her head and expecting her to do everything perfectly, and they want her to focus on her studies. But she also has a hobby, which is photography, and she is very good at it, is what her friends always tell her. So there's that. But then that's not the main plot. This is what is going on in Abby's life. So what happens is that her friend Leo, he wants to take a DNA test, like where you get to meet your relatives and family. So he is adopted, so he wants to do that. So he didn't want to do it alone. So he asks his friends to do it with him. She does that, and then she finds out that she has a sister. So now she wants to meet her sister, be with her. So her sister is going to summer camp. So she also goes to the same summer camp to figure out things and get to know each other and be with each other, spend time with each other. I have said it a lot of times. So this is the second book by Emma Lord. Now I know why people didn't really hype it a lot, because it's not like Tweet Cute, the her first book. There is no banter in it so far. Like I have read 80 pages. There's no banter. It's good. It's witty. It's quick. Her writing is good. It has been good since the first book, and it's still the same. But the banter is missing, and I think a lot of people were expecting that witty comebacks and that element. So that's not here. So that's why maybe people didn't really like it. But I am enjoying it because the writing is good. I love how chaotic and blunt and outdoorsy she is. Our main character, she is very blunt. She is very messy. Basically, there was this one line which said that since she has three younger brothers, their family, their first aid kit was more stocked up regularly than their lunch boxes. So that was how it was. Like वो गिरती पड़ती रहती है. So that's what happens. And now we are going to see her in the summer camp, and I'm excited to read all of these things because I love that setting, that outdoorsy setting, those summer activities. Even though I never went to a summer camp, so I love to read about such things in books. So excited to continue this book. Then I am also listening to this audiobook. It's from Trending Topic Mystery Series. सारे cozy mysteries के नाम, they are too long. But the book is called DME for Murder, and it's the third book in the series. I loved first two books, so I wanted to read it, and I don't know, for some reason I could not really get a physical copy. Actually, I would have loved to get physical copies of these books because I love them. They are very summery, cozy mysteries, and I love that. Those beach town summery vibes are there. And the main character, she is a celebrity. So she has, like, celebrity nahi bol sakte. She is an influencer. She moves back to her small town. So she is living that small town life, and now she's solving murders because she's very nosy and she has to know कि क्या चल रहा है उसके आजू बाजू. So she does that, and it's so fun. Her friends are very dramatic and very cool, and everything is. It gives me. I don't know if you don't know that, because I think I read that series a long back. It was I Heart series, and I loved the second book, I Heart Hollywood. I love that book, and it was like those LA vibes, that summer, the tropical vibe of that city. And then those friends, her friend in that book was so good. I loved him. And that kind of a vibe this book gives, like this trio gives me that vibe, and I that was my favorite book from all the 8 books. And it's like I'm chasing that vibe. That's why I enjoy the series a lot, because it gives me that vibe, and I love that theme, that tropical theme. But plus there's a mystery, and then there are just influences and people who are super bougie and they're always going to restaurants, they're having fun summery drinks, and then they're discussing things, and things are always happening. Like it's not very slow, it's not just cozy vibes, it's perfect. I enjoy them. And this time there's another influencer who comes to meet her for her services. Like she does influencer marketing services now. She doesn't really focus on being an influencer but helping people build their businesses. So she is going to meet this big huge influencer, and when she goes to the meeting, she finds that person dead. Everybody is thinking that it's her fault. There are two murders happened in the past 6 months in that small town. So everybody is like, कि क्या चल रहा है? कि is it even safe? That small town is even safe or not? And you know that internet thing where people pin it on somebody, they have to pin it on somebody, and if one person says it out loud, that everybody just takes it and runs with it. So that's what is happening. So everybody is blaming Coco. That's the main character's name, Coco Klein. So she is getting blamed for that. So now she has to clear her name, and for that she is going to find the who the killer is. I mean, honestly, I'm listening it at 2x speed, and that's not enough for me. I want it to go to 2.3, 2.5, but that's not the case. पहले था वहाँ पे Storytel पे that speed. You can increase it as much as you want, but now they have stopped it till 2. I wish I could और फटाफट से हो जाता. Anyways, reading that, if you think that I changed my position, it's because I went and checked कि वो perfectly film कर भी रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, and if I'm in the frame, because I मेरा फ़ोन उल्टा है basically, I can't see the screen. I'm trying to see कि इससे better quality आ भी रही है नहीं. So I have clipped the mic. So you know what time it is, right? I need my hands free. Book mail time, and it's a summary book mail. So I was so excited. I was waiting. I didn't know कि ये कब आएगा. So actually, okay, wait. I'll just open it and then I'll tell you. Okay, I can't. No. You will get to know कि क्या है इसमें. Anyways, let's open this. I'm so happy. Side से जगह नहीं है. Okay, I'm just gonna cut. I have a big Caesar this time instead of a flimsy cutter because फिर बहुत difficult हो जाता है और मुझे ये करना ही पड़ता है. Anyways, are you ready? So it's no one, no one was supposed to die at this wedding. It's the second book in the Vacation Mystery series, and the first book was, I wish it was there, but the first book was every time I go on a vacation, somebody dies. So this is the second book, and there's a wedding on an island, and of course, somebody is going to die. That's all I know. I know that main character is a mystery writer, and she writes mysteries which take place at some sort of vacation. So this basically वो खुद भी जा रही है vacation पे, and she writes about vacation murder mysteries. That's what I know. It's so difficult. Why everything is so difficult to explain? So that's what it is. I am excited to read this book. I have the audiobook of the first part. So I was thinking about listening to that or DMB for Murder. Both were on my summer audiobook TBR. So I was thinking about that. But then I started that one, like DMB for Murder. और मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये कब तक आएगा. So I wanted to binge read it back to back. So that's why I decided to go with DMB for Murder first. Then I'll start the series. I'll read the first book. Then I will read this book. I don't know if I'll be able to read it in this video. We'll see how it goes because right now I'm trying to finish this book. Then we'll see कि क्या चलेगा. Because अगर ये book खत्म होने के बाद तक मेरा इसका first part नहीं खत्म हुआ, then I won't be able to start this, right? So then I will have to start something else. Why is it so difficult? I think reading मेरी हॉबी थी, ठीक है. I have complicated everything so much कि मुझे कोई वीडियो ही पोस्ट करना है तो उसके लिए मुझे कुछ पढ़ना है, बट वो मुझे ऐसे प्लान करना है कि मुझे वो उस टाइम तक ही खत्म करना होगा. एंड आई हैव मेड एवरीथिंग अ चोर. इट फील्स लाइक आई एम डूइंग अ होमवर्क कि मुझे इस टाइम तक खत्म करना ही है. इट्स लाइक एन असाइनमेंट विच आई हैव टू फिनिश. सो दिमाग में कंटिन्यूसली चलता रहता है कि ये खत्म करूँगी, फिर उसके बाद ये होगा, फिर ये होगा, फिर इसके बाद मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. It's a lot. It's a lot. My brain is tired, and I was never a timetable kind of a person. I can never do that, task to do list. कि हाँ इस टाइम पे मैं ये करूँगी, इस टाइम पे मैं that never happens with me. It's all up here now. So you know how messy my brain is. It's constantly thinking of something or the other. कि क्या चल. I am going on a tangent. So that's it. Now I'm gonna continue this book, and I'll see you soon. So I finished this book, and I honestly finished it a few days back, so I don't really remember a lot of things anymore. That's why we write things down. Okay, this time I did because it was a lot, so I just wrote it down. Usually, I used to post stories whenever I used to have some thoughts. कि ये ऐसा क्यों है इस book में, तो I used to post stories, but now I need to talk about them in the video, right? So now I write them down. So Savi was going to go to this camp, so she asks Abby to join her, and Abby does that, and then she gets to know that Leo is also there. A lot of things are happening at the same time. We see this beautiful camp with all the summer activities, which is really good, but then we also meet another so many different characters there. So there are so much happening in this book. It's not just a YA romance, it's a YA contemporary. The parents, why they lied to these two girls that they have a sister, is one of the secrets we are figuring out. Then her dynamic with her friends, like her friend group, that is Leo and Connie, that trio. There's something happening in that group as well. But then we see Savvy and Savvy's group, and their drama is the perfect summer camp where a lot of drama is going on. So we see everything, and I enjoyed it. The only thing that bothered me was that their relationship in the beginning, that it was very new and raw, right? So it should have been bit formal, and they should have like given the other person a chance, like, we give that benefit of doubt, which they didn't give each other. Like, or rather, the main character Abby didn't give that to Savvy. Like, Savvy was supposed to be the junior counselor of this camp, and then she was supposed to follow all the rules, which she was doing, which was expected from her. But then Abby wanted Savvy to not follow the rules just because it was Abby. Like, she wanted her skip the rules when it comes to her, like, like ignore her or let her go. She always thought that Savvy following rules is not for Savvy but to sabotage Abby, which was not the case. But whatever Abby did was very mean. Sometimes it was very silly, and I was expecting a little bit better. I mean, it tried to show us that it was a sisterly thing, that they're bickering and their fights, but that's not how it came off, because they didn't grow up together, right? So if they would have grown up together, but they had like a couple of years distance and space where they weren't together, but still they were doing this, it would have made sense. But since they didn't know each other for like their lifetime, like for the 16 years of their life, and now this is the time when they are meeting each other, so I don't expect that kind of a relationship, that sisterly bonding, sisterly bickering in between them, especially since Abby is not a single child. She has three younger brothers, so she should have that kind of relationship with her brothers, but not with her the sister whom she met like couple of days old. So I didn't like that part. The romance was lacking, like honestly. इतने पेजेस की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, वो फर्स्ट 15 पेजेस में ही हो जाता if they would have just talked, but they didn't, because they're teenagers, so they don't really talk and have proper conversations and communicate with each other. That is why it doesn't feel like a romance book, because they don't really meet each other that often. They are doing their own things during this entire summer camp, and we see them like गिन के 5 से 10 10 टाइम 5 to 7 times they meet each other and they have some sort of a moment. That's it, which is not a lot when it comes. I mean, of course, this is a YA contemporary. That's why I'm saying this again and again. The entire revelation of what and how things happen, that gave me the vibes of Tweet Cute. Like, that's how Tweet Cute was when it comes to the plot. So this reminded me of that book, but now I know why people didn't really like this one a lot, because there's no bickering and banter a lot. Like, that sisterly bickering was annoying, honestly. It wasn't fun to read. So that's it. I don't know. I never really give rating, because my ratings are not, that's not how I judge books, because either a book is a solid some sort of rating, otherwise I don't know, it can change anytime, so I don't have any rating as of now. But then I started this book and the bookmark fell off. I don't know if I've talked about this book. It's about two best friends, and I'm just gonna read the white part because it's easy to tell you कि क्या चल रहा है. Theo and Kit have been childhood best friends, crushes, lovers, and after a brutal breakup 4 years ago, estranged exes. And when they were together, they booked a food and drink trip across Europe. But then they break up, so now they are like, we'll go individually because पैसा भरा है तो जा ही लेते हैं. But then they both go there, and now they are together for, I mean, they are going to be near each other in each other's proximity for 3 weeks and going to experience Europe together but separately. So that's what is happening. Honestly, I didn't really expect to pick up a highlighter and start annotating. But the lines, oh god, the chemistry and the mutual pining and the love and the yearning is so good. And I just love such books because you can see the love for the friend, especially when it comes to best friends and who are long term best friends. We can see that the love is there and they are very scared to lose their best friend, so they don't really take actions. But this time these two took the action. They've dated each other for 2 years, but then they didn't really, and I don't know exactly. I mean, it is hinted why they separated, and they have talked about it, that how the separation happened. But I'm still waiting कि क्या होगा. And the seeing Europe through this food tour is so good. I would love to visit Europe first of all, and I love food. So it's the perfect combination and the perfect backdrop for this story, and I'm loving it so far. I'm enjoying it, and I have I mean, I haven't annotated. I have highlighted a few lines, and the writing is beautiful too. But I will definitely. I mean, I can find a few lines, but they are too long. I mean, it's an entire paragraph. और अभी जो मैंने highlight किया ना, वो भी पूरा का पूरा paragraph ही highlighted है. So I won't read the entire paragraph to you, like or three, because it's so good. Okay, I'll just read a few lines. Okay. I have had a million temporary lovers since, but the truth isn't that I haven't needed something real. Is that I haven't wanted it. The thought of starting from scratch, the ordeal of rebuilding something I already spent my whole life building with someone else, is exhausting. It's a beep Olympic triathlon of mortifying vulnerability, and at the end, I might not even like them as much as I liked Kit. It'd be a relief if I never had to do it. Should I? Should I read the entire thing? It's also be a relief to get back to the part of me that live inside of him, to have somewhere to pull all of him contained in me. There are so many things we couldn't fit into boxes, pieces of ourselves that we can't access anymore because we could never return them. I'd like to be whole with him, and that whole me, the Theo of Theo and Kit, I like them. They have the best jokes, the most nerve, the biggest ideas. Like, it's written so beautifully. I just love the quotes and the way things are described, especially the emotions and the feelings. This one is also really good. This is part of peacefully coexisting with your ex, I guess. Watching them move on with someone else, watching them find love in the city that was too much for you. The problem is, we have only ever been everything or nothing to each other. I don't know how to start being something to him. It's so good. It's so good. So I'm gonna continue that book. Of course, finish it whenever it's possible. I wanted to finish it before this update. So technically I'm a bit late, but I don't know. I wasn't in the headspace of reading a lot of things. I was just taking it slow. Then I'm listening to, again, I don't know, my reading speed has gone down in the past week, and so I was expecting to finish. Nobody, every time I go on a vacation, somebody dies. So I wanted to finish that as well before this update, but I have 1 hour left of that book, and it's a different kind of a writing. Okay, the author in the book, it's from her point of view, right? So she is giving us the story of the book which we are reading in a way that she's talking about a book. It's like that, like she's telling you, okay, so you know how the story goes, right? So there are 3 acts. So the first act has already happened, the second act just happened, and now you are going to figure it out. I have given you all the clues. Now you also do the figuring out part with me. I want you to do that as well. So it's kind of that which I really like. So sometimes she is talking about or talking to the characters, and sometimes she's talking to the reader, the main character, the narrator, which is interesting. I like that. There are a lot of people involved, and everything is very entangled. There are 8 people, I guess, and I think one murder happened, and it took a long time for that murder to happen, like almost. 60% के बाद that murder happened almost कदा शायद से 70% के बाद I don't know percentage जितना ही show करता storyteller I don't know why we see all the characters and we see their interactions with each other and what is going on there are some red herrings so it's like अभी murder हुआ but no that didn't happen so it's like it the author is trying to catch us off guard with the murder like you would expect the murder to happen in the first 20 to 30% of the book but that's not how it is so there are multiple red herrings but also we are on a tour with the author because the author is on a book tour and there are multiple authors joining her from the same publishing house so there's that so there are multiple people who have multiple motives to kill each other because they are all writers so they are very imaginative and they are like थोड़े से क्रेजी कि वो शायद से कुछ भी कर दे if they are in that extreme situation they might do something like that it's interesting it's really fun and see this is what I was talking about when I was saying that I usually pick books with some or the other elements which are similar so this one has the Europe tour that one also has Europe tour so that's what we are doing I think it's Italy tour I guess I don't know exactly kya hai but same continent same part for me it's kind of sounding similar there's Amalfi coast mentioned there there are some sort of things like that Paris yes I think it was either it was Paris or it was Europe tour in the nobody everybody every time I go on a vacation somebody dies book so I'm gonna journal for some time listen to the audiobook and or read the book we'll see जो भी मेरा mood हो वो मैं करूँगी because आज Sunday है so I want to do all my hobbies together because फेब से मैंने मेरा जर्नल अपडेट नहीं किया है सो फेब के बाद का पूरा अपडेट करना बाकी है आई जस्ट गॉट एवरीथिंग प्रिंटेड yesterday सो आई नीड टू कट एवरीथिंग जिसमें बहुत टाइम जाता है कल मैं बैठ के लाफ्टर शेफ का मैंने एक एपिसोड देखा और एक एपिसोड के टाइम पे आई कुड ओनली कट 2 पेजेस एंड आई हैव 13 के 13 नहीं है एक्चुअली देयर आर सम पेजेस विच आर लाइक प्रिंटेड पेपर्स लाइक आई प्रिंट पेपर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू माई लाइकिंग कि मुझे लग रहा है कि ये स्प्रेड में मुझे ये थीम का पेपर यूज करना है तो आई विल गो एंड प्रिंट दैट पेपर फ्रॉम आई विल टेक द डिजाइन फ्रॉम Pinterest लाइक दिस इज white and pink white paper with pink hearts cute I have a lot of such papers कुछ कट कर दिए हैं already like these were for my birthday spreads new prints which I printed yesterday were like I have these it's so cute again this is very Pinteresty and this I have some spread in mind for this so I have such papers as well so ये थोड़े easy है कट करना but जो actual pictures है ना उसको बहुत time जाएगा gonna do this listen to audiobook and finish the book and I'll give you update whenever is possible I don't know कि यही कितने books हो गए 1 2 3 books or I will read those titles are so long and I keep on confusing them. Nobody was supposed to die at this wedding. I might start and finish that book as well. We'll see how it goes. That's it. Gonna do this. Bye. So I finished. Every time I go on a vacation, somebody dies. Like I had only 1 hour left, as I said. And it was not amazing. The actual revelation, of course, I didn't really guess what exactly happened, but at the same time, I didn't like whatever revelation was provided. The main thing which the culprit did, so I think the culprit plotted everything perfectly, but then they missed a one single key, essential, and silly thing and silly detail. They should have thought about it, and it was too obvious and too silly. This should have been taken care of, and जिससे उसको समझ जाता है ना, the main character is Eleanor Dash, the from which she gets the whole point was just ridiculous. Like they should have at least tried. I didn't like how the culprit did the things they did. So it was a bummer, but otherwise, I really liked the book. Sometimes it was confusing, the footnotes, especially since I was listening to the book. So अचानक से कुछ और ही चलता था कि the footnote and something something something. तो वो थोड़ा सा boring था, but I mean थोड़ा सा confusing था, and it or every time pulled me out of the story. It was sometimes funny. It wasn't every single thing was not really funny, whatever the main character tried to do, but it was okay. Then I finished the pairing. First 200 pages are from Theo's point of view, and then the second half is from Kit's point of view. And honestly, by the time we were done with the first half, I was done with the story. Like I thought it was over. It is okay. We got everything, but it's slow. It's a slow burn, and it's so slow. Like by the time we see the first half, they have just trying to get back together, but there are a lot of up and downs. Like if you like slow burn, you should read it, and it's 400 pages long, and I don't think any rom-com needs to be 400 pages long. Other than that, there are a lot of LGBTQ representations, and I really like to read about that. And if you are interested in that, you should read it. I'm not going to specify which representations are in this book, because otherwise it would give away a lot of things, and उसमें क्या है मज़ा. So you would need to read this. Other than that, I loved to see Europe and all the different food and different small glimpses of history in this book, which was really fun. Also, there was a map which I started, what do you call it, using or referring to after almost halfway through the book. I started using it. I anticipated the ending, and it was really good. Like that was the best way to end the book, and I really like that. I would highly recommend it if you are like me, and if you want to visit Europe, you should read this book, and you should use this as your guide, because there are so many good things, so many good places, and so many good food mentioned. So yes, and I also finished. I started and finished. No, is it No One? Yeah, no one was supposed to die at the wedding. It's about, so I don't know if I've mentioned this. So in the first book, Eleanor has already read. Eleanor has already written her book, and it's been 10 years since she first published her first book, and she is on her 10-year anniversary in that first book. We see that, and then what happens? एक साइड से मैं चंपू लग रही हूँ. And okay, very off topic, but look at the t-shirt. It says rise and shine, it's pancake time, and there are some pancakes. ये pancake, when I was reading that Strawberry Patch Pancake House, it would have been so perfect, but I got it just now because मुझे दिखा, so I got it. Anyways, very off topic. What was I saying? What was I saying? So she is there for her 10-year anniversary, and now that book is getting adapted, and her best friend since childhood is getting casted as the lead role in that movie. So basically, the lead roles, the lead characters, the lead actors the lead actors from that movie are getting married, and they are getting married after their filming was wrapped. So everybody from cast and crew are invited, and they have talked about it as it's a part of the movie, so that सारे news reporters को, news channels को पता ना चले that they are getting married. Eleanor Dash, our main character, who's the mystery author, so she is the maid of honor, and now we are going to see their weekend on this island where a storm is coming. So of course they are cut off from the mainland, and murders are gonna take place. I don't know what exactly happened. I think it was mentioned that there are three murders in the first book, and it's mentioned on the back of the book, right? It's in the blurb, but I don't know. I think I have missed something. I think I only noticed two. So let me know कि मैंने क्या उसमें से मिस किया है, तो मुझे कोई बताओ कि क्या चल रहा है. तो मैं directly Google, but I even Googled it, but even ChatGPT couldn't help me. So there's that. Anyways, let's talk about this book was so good. Oh my god, I loved it. It had that Hollywood drama. It had that vacation mystery, plus the gloomy weather was there. And it was gloomy when I was reading this book. I finished it in 2 days, and it was gloomy both the days. So it was perfect, like that summer plus the gloomy vibes. And of course there was the storm in this book, but it wasn't stormy here, but it provided me the perfect ambience, honestly. And then I really love reading about weddings and the mishaps and chaos which happens during the fictional weddings. Okay, so I like that. So it was there, all the things were there. एंड आई वॉज वेरी स्केप्टिकल कि क्या होगा इस टाइम भी, थोड़ा सा ऑब्वियस सा मिस्ट्री ना हो, बट इट वॉज रियली गुड. इट कन्फ्यूज मी. आई वॉज रीडिंग इट लाइक what is going on kind of a situation. I absolutely enjoyed it and highly recommend the series. All the characters were fun. I mean, the way she wrote it, it's like everybody could be a suspect, everybody could have done it, every single one of them had the motives, the means, and it's so beautifully written that you'll need a murder board and figure out each and every detail to actually solve this mystery. And I don't think even after that you could solve it, because it's too good. I think it's going to be one of my top 10 favorite books of 2025. It was that good. So highly recommend this series. I have read I think 5 books. अब तो मैं भूल गई हूँ कि मैंने फर्स्ट वाली बुक मेंशन भी की थी या नहीं की थी. I have completely forgotten. But I think I have read 5, and I have so many more books on my summer TBR. So I'm gonna continue reading those books. I know I didn't really read the a novel story, so I even want to read that. I have read a lot of good books in this video, and I have found some new favorites. So go read this series. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.